Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how to create a sleek professional link in bio page using Kajabi. Perfect for consolidating all your important links in one place. Let's get started. First, log into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, click the website tab on the left menu. Here you will manage all your sites and pages. Choose a template. I recommended using the template that I designed for you. To download the template, please check the description and first comment in this video. Okay, let's go back the dashboard and click upload the template, then browse files from your computer and upload it. Customize your page from here. You can change title, images, text and buttons, everything by matching your brand. Also you can change color. It's too much easy. If you want to use my template, please check my description and pin comment. Stay tuned with us for new video. Thanks for watching the video.